Good morning, fifth grade online learners. Welcome to February 5th, 2021, with fifth grade on February 5th, me, Mr. Monzo. And we are taking a quiz today. So, there are quite a few people, one or two or three, that are kind of mixed up on some of the questions. And one of the biggest clues I give you is only one of those words is going to make sense. Many of the words that I give you as choices are from other lessons. So they don't even belong in that question. They are science words, they just don't belong in that question. So I would try each word once and pick the one that sounds like it makes the most sense. And it's related to magnetism. Okay? So it's going to have something to do with magnetic field, lodestones, not river rock. I don't even know where I came up with that one. It sounded like stones. We never mentioned river rock. Well, that might make sense in a lesson on erosion. It does not make sense in this lesson because lodestones are a type of magnetic rock. Poles, magnetism, electromagnet, magnet. Those are the words you're looking for. If you're reading your question, you're not seeing words like that, it's probably not the right choice. It probably belongs in some other science lesson. So a magnetic field is an area where a magnetic field can be observed. And it could be something like the North or South Pole, where you're seeing the northern or southern lights, the aurora borealis. Lodestones are a type of magnetic rock. Poles, the two regions of a magnet, North Pole and South Pole, on Earth and on a magnet. Electromagnet, a current that is used to create this type of magnet. And sometimes electromagnets, we mentioned yesterday, are so strong they can lift a car. Magnet, atoms that house moving electrons line up in the same direction and the fields around them combine, creating a strong magnet. An electromagnet can be stronger by wrapping coils around the center and using a stronger battery. So guys, you can have a real tiny battery, a AAA battery, or you can have a bigger car battery, or even a battery bigger than that. I mean, at one point, batteries were used to power submarines. Imagine how many batteries that took. Okay? Now we don't use that. That's older technology. But batteries were really our choice for a lot of ways to power things. The bigger the battery, the stronger you can make your magnet. Iron and other metals can act as a magnet. You can magnetize a screwdriver just by rubbing a magnet on it. Now it doesn't stay a magnet forever, but it does stay one temporarily, and that could help if you're building something. All magnets have a north and south pole. Even if you break them in half, they still have a north and south pole. If you put the two north poles together, they're going to push away. If you turn them and put north and south pole together, the magnets will attract. You can make an electromagnet with a flashlight, a wire, and a battery, and a nail. Now you're not going to pick up much with something like that, but maybe a paper clip. It gives you the idea of how strong a magnet can be. Striking or heating a magnet could make the magnets go out of alignment, and now it's not going to act like a magnet anymore. And again, it says if you rub a nail with a magnet, you can make the nail a magnet. Temporarily, not forever. Years ago, I bought a nice stereo system for my house, and I asked the salesman, I said, what makes this stereo system so much better? And he said, it is the power of the magnets in the speaker. So the stronger the magnet in a speaker, at least for this type of speaker, made the sound better. And it does have very good sound. Okay, so I'm going to hand this back to Danielle. And she lent me her study guide. And let me mention one more thing, guys. On Google Stream, we are going to watch a video at the end of class. It's only 6 minutes long. It's about a girl named Audrey. And to no fault of her own, she has heart problems. And I will tell you right now it has a happy ending. And somebody in the last class said, why would you give away the ending? Well, it's sad. It's a sad video. But there's good news in that video, that you can get help if you have heart problems, even if you're young or even if you're old. Because heart problems, you have to be more careful when you're older, but sometimes to no fault of your own, you're born with heart problems. And since we're raising money for the American Heart Association, and health has something to do with science class, actually they go together, we are asking you to at least be aware of heart health, and if you're not able to contribute money towards it, at least take care of your own heart. Make sure you exercise and you eat correctly. All right, 5th grade online learners. Good luck with your quiz. There's a short video to watch. Now the heart video is on Google Stream, but on Google Classroom we have a video on magnetism. We will see you Monday. Bye-bye.